morning I'm heading to Quincy Lake free camping area. It's administered by the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife. And this is the north gate. There's a sign on the bulletin board here that says the south gate is locked due to vandalism. Let's go down and check out the free camping at Quincy Lake. After you clear the front gate, you'll run into this sign. Bullet number 4 says, please limit your stay to 15 days or less. To camp here, you'll need a Washington State Discover Pass. Purchase mine for $35. And it gets you into all Washington State parks and Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife properties. I've arrived at the Quincy Lake free camping area. Let's go check it out. It sure is peaceful out here. About a half mile past the northern gate, you're going to come to the entrance of the Quincy Lake free camping area. It's clearly marked. There's another gate here, and there's a vault toilet just up the road. Let me show you the campsite. The public fishing area is just off in the distance there in the center of your screen. And then there's a separate gate that takes you into this free camping area, and there's a number of different campsites here. The access road is big rig friendly, and so are the several different campsites that are located here at Quincy Lake. Vault toilets right across the access road from the first campsite. And then off to my left, you're going to find another campsite with its own fire ring. There's a look back and another vantage point of that first campsite off to your left coming in to the Quincy Lake free camping area. This is the second campsite. You can get just about any size rig in there, and it does have that fire ring right in the center of your screen. Beautiful lake view. And then the access road continues back into the free camping area, and there's a second vault toilet further on down the road. Let's go down there and check that out. Here's one more vantage point of that second campsite. Where my truck's parked is the first campsite. You have the first vault toilet. Let me walk you on down the road here and see what other free camping opportunities we have here at Quincy Lake. I was walking further down the access road here at Quincy Lake and ran into this area. Man, is that pretty. Quincy Lake is located not far from the town of Quincy and Crescent Bar. Crescent Bar is right on the Columbia River. So there is Quincy Lake. There's the access road, and you see the first vault toilet in the center of your screen. There is a second vault toilet right in front of me. It has a big turnaround loop right here. The road continues down that way along the lake, and there are also looks like a road that circles around right here. I'm going to take a walk around here and see if there's campsites back in here. There's the lake, and it does appear that there are campsites back in this semicircle behind the second vault toilet. Wow, look at that view. You have a big camping ring, campfire ring. Right there with the view of another lake. There's all kinds of lakes in here in this Quincy Lake free camping area. Well, there's the fire ring, and that's your view. Wow. So that's the direction I just came from. There's a large turnaround area right in here. But you have a campsite that's back in the corner pocket here. And that's the campsite we just looked at. But dig this view here. This is really scenic. You have all these purple and yellow flowers. Very peaceful. Quincy Lake Free Camping Area, administered by the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife, is going down in the book. This is a sweet campsite. You got some privacy back here. My fifth wheel will fit nicely right on this side of that campfire ring. You got a large turnaround area behind me. Going down the book. And if you walk up the road just a little ways from the second vault toilet, you're going to find a campsite right on the bluff. It's not large enough or flat enough for my fifth wheel, but if you have a smaller camping configuration or for your tent camping, you can get up in here on the bluff. Truck camper, pop-up camper, you could get up in here. There's your campfire ring, all toilets down over the hill. You have a nice little view. Looking back down on Quincy Lake. And this is a little bit wider perspective of that same campsite. Well, I hope you appreciate this little walking tour of Quincy Lake Free Camping Area. I found even more campsites further down the road. You can see my truck down there in the center right of your screen. This is the access road. Goes up a little hill, and then there you have a large campsite right here, and then down by the lake you have yet another campsite, and it looked pretty sweet. So I'm going to walk down there and show you that lakeside campsite. Oh yeah, we have a nice campsite down here. Let's go take a closer look. This is the vantage point of the campsite that's down along the lake, that last one I just pointed out. You have a turnaround area down here. You can get a all mid-size camper down in here, travel trailer. I think it's really too small for, quote, a big rig, but I don't think I'd bring my fifth wheel down here just because of the close quarters. That circle's not that big. I have to take a couple bites to get my rig turned around. But if you have a smaller camping configuration, wow, that campsite will work well for you. No matter what type of camping configuration you have, there are a variety of camping options here at Quincy Lake's Free Camping Area in eastern Washington State. I think I'm going to leave it here. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. I'll also have the grid coordinates for this free camping location in the written video description as well. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.